In a perfect world, we'd be able to identify process slowdowns and choke points as they were happening or before they were occurring, versus getting a report that is disconnected from the underlying events causing slowdowns or choke points in our processes. In the next 2 minutes, let's take a look at how to identify these issues, where they are, and how to remedy them in your project.
Logging into Put It Forward's Platform Manager, you want to look at the orchestration flow to understand exactly what's going on. Maybe there's exceptions, maybe there's errors, maybe there's problems in the underlying systems that are slowing everything down. Going into the process steps, the integration layer, we see that everything is set up, there is nothing broken, everything is mapped as it should be. To understand what's happening inside the process, let's step into Delphi, the onboard predictive analytics, data mining, and machine learning component of Put It Forward. This will give us a time-based view of what's happening inside the process itself. Immediately, we can see that there are a number of steps that are happening outside of the well-structured process that we have in place. So we need to take a closer look at these. On the left-hand side, we are able to set the total duration or mean duration to actually see what's happening inside the process steps themselves and be able to adjust what's in and what's out. We have a number of different applications working together here. On the left-hand side, we've got our service and IT task management applications. And on the right-hand side, we have our project management and execution control systems. This thick blue line as an exception draws our attention to it immediately because we're skipping a number of different control steps and they appear to be taking a large amount of people's time. So we need to understand what's going on in here. We run the simulation of the number of tasks that are running through here. We can see that they are not just one-off events. We can see that there are exceptions on major control points of both major branches of the process happening at initiation and skipping right to close, which are taking up a significant amount of time. The question now is why? Equipped with this information, you now have the keys to unlock scale and success for your organization. For more information, please click the appropriate buttons. Thank you for your time and attention.